Hello, I'm Tabriz Alam. I'm from West Bengal. I have completed a Visions 45 days class and I have learned a lot about the troubleshooting. And I have completed different types of subjects like CCNA, Virtualization, Fundamentals of Networking, Windows Server and Administration, and ITIL. I'm really thankful for this training program, and I'm especially thankful to all the teachers who taught me practically all the subjects, like Rahul sir, Prashanjit sir, Smriti ma'am, Asutosh sir, and I'm also really thankful to all the HRs like Priya ma'am, and Sati ma'am, Sunita ma'am, especially Ganesh sir, who practically made us understood the IT environment. Currently, I have been selected for Teams Computers, and my salary is 3 LPA. So, once again, thank you so much, Visions team. Keep doing the great work.